Popular footballer killed in Kingston home invasion. Motorcyclist killed in Manchester crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A popular footballer was shot dead and another man injured when gunmen invaded a home on Water Street in Denham Town, West Kingston Tuesday morning. The dead man has been identified as former Boys Town player 40-year-old Rafik Thomas. The injured man has been hospitalized. Reports are that around 4:40 a.m., armed men entered the house and opened gunfire, hitting both men. Thomas, police stated, died on the spot in his bed upstairs. The police stated that the now injured man received gunshot wounds to his cheek, right palm, and left elbow while in his bed at the front of the premises. Residents assist him to hospital where he is being treated in stable condition. No motive has yet been established for the attack, the police stated. A motorcyclist died as a result of injuries he sustained during a collision with another motorcyclist on the Winston Jones Highway in Manchester on Sunday night. He has so far only been identified as Jay. A police report stated that about 11 p.m., a group of bikers were traveling uphill towards Mandeville from an event in Bellefield and two motorcyclists collided. They were taken to hospital where one man was pronounced dead.